Hello traders, welcome to another EA review. Today we are looking at the PZ Daily Breakout EA for MT4 and MT5. It's a free expert advisor from PZ Trading that's been around for a while, and the promise is straightforward. It trades breakouts or reversals based on the previous day's high and low. Sounds simple, right? Let's break it down and see what's going on. But before we dive into that, you can download the free Forex report for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get right into it. The core idea for this EA is classically daily range breakout trading. The EA looks at yesterday's highs and lows, those key levels from the prior day's trading range. Then it places bi-directional pending orders around them, but only if those levels haven't been tested yet that day. The untested filter is meant to keep it focused on fresh opportunities. So in regular mode, it buys above yesterday's high and sells below yesterday's low. Pure breakout continuation. Inverse mode flips it, buys at the low and sells at the high, basically fading the extremes, especially a reversal. They also only buy and only sell modes, so you can add your own directional bias. The developer emphasizes is not some complicated indicator setup, no oscillators, no fancy patterns, just pure price action around those daily levels. Alright, so MT4 version sticks with pending orders, while MT5 gives you the option for market orders too. It's built to work on ECN and non-ECN brokers, 2 to 5 digit codes, and even has NFA/FIFO compliance if you need it. Okay, so it's all here. They position it as a flexible, time-tested concept that lets you adapt to different market conditions. The seller is upfront that success depends on your ability to configure it properly for each symbol and time frame using the strategy tester. No wild guarantees of profits in every condition. Right? So that was kind of like a disclaimer from the developer actually. Let's take a look at some of these. Okay, so we have a strategy tester report. But before we get to that, we can see I've already breached through everything we have on the marketplace for the EA. So you can also see our input parameters. You can see that we have the trading settings, the position management, money management, and then the EA settings, which says you can select the magic number for the trades, custom comments, and manual p-value if you need to override the one or the default one. Do not change this unless you know what you are doing. So obviously this is not for beginners, only experienced traders who know what they're actually doing. So as for the tester reports, okay, so he carried out his test on XAUSD on the gold pair for the period from 2008 to 2019. Okay, that's actually a long period. So the initial deposit was $10,000, and you can see his total net profits for the period is quite a sum. So he had 34,399,428 as the total net profits. The profit factor over the period was 3.71, which is quite nice, and the drawdown was 19.41%. You can see the total trades taken were 1,770. So you can see the equity curve as well started off a bit flat for most of the test period, and then it picks up here just a little after the mid range, and then from there it was almost like a straight up curve with the occasional dips here and there. But all right, we've taken a look at the developers testings, but how does it actually hold up to my own personal back tests? So I had the opportunity of running this EA on the EUR USD pair, 15-minute time frame for a period of 1 year from 1st of April 2025 to 1st of April 2026. And okay, having that, starting with a 10k deposit, we ended up with a small net loss. Profit factor came in at 0.90, basically meaning the system lost a tiny bit more than it made overall. So you can see that our net loss was just $10. Okay, but it's a loss still, so it doesn't really add up to what the developer has marketed on the sites, right? So drawdowns were actually quite modest, but you can see the equity curve wiggling around with those typical choppy swings. See how it goes. It doesn't really move in the way the developer's equity curve moved. There, I could see a little bit of consolidation before it moves straight to the upside. But here you can see very choppy and volatile movements, both up and down, um, ending up in a loss lower than where it actually started. Alright, so the thing is, developer backtests often look cleaner because they optimize for specific pairs and periods with strong trends. In reality, daily breakout systems like this grind through a lot of false breaks, especially in ranging markets. Regular mode can get chopped up sideways, while inverse does better in mean reversion but gets run over in strong trends. Your settings that actually matter: the trading behavior, regular versus inverse, proper SL/TP distance, and honestly, I'd stay away from the martingale modes unless you really know what you're doing. Those can turn small losing streaks into account killers fast. Spreads, slippage on news, and broker execution will eat into that small edge in live trading. Nuances: this thing needs serious testing and monitoring. It's sensitive to volatility, news events, and market regime changes. Core fitting is a real risk if you over optimize. In practice, it can deliver occasional nice runners, but expects you to handle frequent small losses. So let's get back to the developers page. Alright, so who is it actually for? It's for experienced traders who enjoy tweaking parameters, understand daily price action, and will run it conservatively on a few pairs like majors or gold. If you want set and forget with no work, or you're new to this, probably best to pass. Honestly, it's free, so low risk to experiment on demo, but don't expect it to print money without effort. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more real talk EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which robot you want me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free indicator pack robot from the description. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.